Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are here in Kandolim, a famous place here in North Goa, and we are going to be doing a whole virtual tour today. So I'm going to be showing you guys all the shops, cafes, bars, and things that are open. We are going to go all the way to the Kandolim beach, and we are going to check out all the shops on the way and everything that's open right now. So let's go and check it out. So guys, we are starting off our virtual tour from here at the Akron Beach Resort here in Kandolim. And we are going to be heading down towards the Kandolim beach area, and I'll be showing you all the things on the way. So the first thing which we have here on the left hand side of the road is the alcohol museum. So if you see all about alcohol, so this is the famous alcohol museum which has just opened up recently here in Goa, and of course I'll be doing a full video there soon. So here let's look at the shopping on the side of the road. So there's a lot of shops here if you want to buy bikinis, men's clothing, shirts, pants, everything is available here, and the prices are not very expensive, guys. So you would think it's quite expensive, but they are okay prices. If you want to buy the LPK tickets for the LPK parties, you have to buy them from here. That's the counter. Yeah, so about the shirts, men's shirts are like 300 to 400 rupees. Ladies bikinis and stuff are about 600. You can get them starting from like 350 rupees. So this is the Horizon Grill here. On the right hand side here we'll have a couple of leather clothing, leather goods like bags and stuff that you can get there. And there's a lot of shopping on this road. So if you come here in the night, of course there will be much more shopping. So this is around 5 o'clock in the evening, and it is starting to get to winter here in Goa, so the weather is becoming cooler. Here is the Jaswal wine store, which is a famous wine store. I've done a video there if you want to see the alcohol prices here in Goa. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please do hit the subscribe button. I do videos here almost every single day showing you some of the best places to check out here in Goa. So guys, this is another road here. This is a road that most people don't know. If you take this left here, you can also go to Kandolim beach from that side, and it's a really nice part of the beach. It's more quieter and more beautiful. So that's my personal favorite area to be. Okay, if you take the road to the right here, you can go to the Panjim area. Panjim is of course the capital of Goa. So as we go down the street here, on the left hand side is the Kandolim deck. Now the Kandolim deck is a very popular place for international tourists. As you see here, there are international tourists here right now, and this place here on the right is very popular for bikini shopping. So if you want to buy bikinis, then this is the place to come to. Ladies bikinis and clothing. So if you see here, there are a lot of these shops here. There's a couple of bars here and cafes. So if we look on the right hand side, you have more upmarket things, like if you want leather bags and stuff. Here there's a veg restaurant. If you want to check out a veg restaurant, then you check out this place here. And if you want to buy some shells and artifacts, souvenirs, then there's a shop there that sells all these souvenirs and artifacts. Those shell chandeliers start from around 200 rupees for the smaller ones, and of course they go up to 2000 for like the biggest one will be around 2800. Of course after bargaining it should be about 2500. So here we have some brand stores on the right, which are like Benetton, and you have Fab India as well. And as we go down here also, there's a lot of clothing and slippers, and on the left end over there you can get a lot of these nice beautiful shawls and stuff there. And yeah guys, so on the right here is the famous Delfino supermarket. So they have alcohol and everything if you want to buy from here, and they also have a nice restaurant on top of the Delfino supermarket. So as we go down the road here, of course I'm here in the evening, so there's not much crowd at the moment here. Most of the people are at the beach. But let's just look at this place, which is the Fisherman's Cove. So this is by far one of the most popular restaurants here, and there's still a lot of people. That's around, as I said, it's around 5 o'clock, and as you can see, people are still eating here at around 5 o'clock. They have a lot of cocktails and stuff like that here, and yeah, everybody's having a good time. So in the night, this area is very happening. You'll see all these restaurants here full. So this is the Mango Grove. Why it's called the Mango Grove is because there's a big mango tree there. So as we go further up here, there's a nice restaurant here on the left, and on the right here is the famous Newton supermarket. This is one of the biggest supermarkets in Goa. They also have a huge alcohol section here in the Newton supermarket. This is Portuguesa, which is a multi-cuisine restaurant. As we go further down here, there will be the Tomatoes restaurant, and then on the left hand side there is Morro Vado, which is the road to the beach. Let's just look here. So this is uptown. This is a nice restaurant. On the right here is the Kandolim Panchayat area. So let's go down towards the beach road here. So we'll see all the shops and things that are open at the moment. So the international tourists haven't come yet, but otherwise this area is full of international tourists, and by far the most popular area for international tourists. As of now, there are a few international tourists that have come in, but this area was mostly visited by the British tourists. So just a little shopping here to show you people what you can get. If you want to rent a bike or car, there are bike rentals at this place here. Of course, you can get bike rentals everywhere. Okay, so this is one of the best tattoo studios here in Goa. This is RK's studio for tattoos. So if you want to get a tattoo, I would definitely recommend them. Like, I've sent a lot of my viewers there. Of course, no commissions, nothing. Just, you know, I've sent them there, and they've got like really nice tattoos. So yeah guys, this is the road towards the beach. As you can see further down, there's a lot of traffic at the moment. So this is on the right here, you have some hotels here. This is Inferno, which is a very famous restaurant here, and it's always full. So every time I come here, they have a lot of crowd. The other restaurants here get quite busy in the night time. So guys, don't worry, I'm showing you the left hand side of the road right now, but we'll do the other side in a while. So we're just going to check out the more places here. So this is a nice place to come and click photos. The Moody Moon, it's a restaurant on top. This is the parking area to the Kandolim beach. So Kandolim cars are 100 rupees and bikes are 50 rupees for parking. That's the parking lot on the right hand side for bikes, and on the left is for cars. So this area is completely full right now, so there's a lot of people at the beach today. So a nice photo shoot going on here. So okay, what we are going to do is let's head on back, and then we will go further down in Kandolim. So on the left here is the Tourist Information Center. There's also the police here, so if you come here and you require any assistance, you can go there. Here, as we go down here, let's look. Okay, so that's the Moody Moon that I showed you guys. Over here is if you need some dental health thing, you can go to dental. They have a dental clinic here. There's a holiday beach resort here, which this is nice because it's very close to the beach. And this is the phone numbers. If you want to pause the video and check the prices, you can directly contact them. So as we go further down here, the people are now slowly starting to come in. Around 6 o'clock is when Kandolim area gets quite busy. So Just another look at the Inferno's restaurant here, and as you can see, there are some international tourists that are here. So I think now, you know, some of the international tourists have got back at the moment. So let's head on down and check out the other scenes here. So the weather is really nice here in November, December in Goa. So December gets quite cold. So if you're coming here in the evenings, you would have to get a jacket, or not a jacket really, but maybe like a sweatshirt. Just, you know, carry it with you in your bike, or car, so that when it gets a little cold, then you can wear your sweatshirt. This is the Seabreeze resort on the left hand side. They have a swimming pool and everything. Quite a nice place. So just look here and some of the more crowd here. Okay, so this is the junction here. If we take the right, you would go back to the area which we came from and the Sinkerim Beach Road. Whereas if we go further down here, we are going towards the Kalangut Road. So just let's go a little further on. On the left here is the Axis Bank if you want to get your ATM or anything. On the right, there's a nice hotel here which is called the Seashell Suites and Villas. So there's an HDFC ATM here also if you want to remove money. If you turn to the right here, which is called Pinto's Vado, just 15 to 20 meters ahead, you'll get one of the best places for local Goan food. I mean, like street food kind of place, and they have a really good Ross omelette. I've done a video on my channel if you want to check it out. See, this is a place called the Village Bakers. This is a really nice bakery, and you'll always see a lot of people here, is because the place has really nice things like, of course, breads and croissants and stuff like that. So everywhere here you will find wine stores, and of course there's so many tourists everywhere, as you can see. So as we go further on, here on the left hand side will be a football ground. That's the famous football ground here in Kandolim. This is the Kandolim Tinto. Tinto means market or shopping. So here is the shopping area. This is the main market area here. So if you want to buy fruits or vegetables, this area is nice to buy from. And of course you're getting at the local rates, not the tourist rates. So yeah, as I was telling you guys, the international tourists seem to be coming back, because just for the last few minutes I've seen quite a few tourists, international tourists. So as we go further up here, we will see the CCD, which is the Cafe Coffee Day. It used to be a famous landmark here, but there's also a nice place here on top called La Confiserie. That's a nice coffee shop on top here. And this is of course the Cafe Coffee Day. They have internet if you need to get work from home or something, but you need a good speed internet, then go there. This is the Goodwin Kandolim. It's a hotel here. So yeah, as we go further down, you can see there is so much traffic right now, is because like we are heading towards Kalangut, and Kalangut is of course full of tourists. So there will be a lot of traffic here. So over here on the left hand side there is more shopping. All along the road you will find these shops, and all of these places have the same kind of things. So at any point of time you feel that I want to get something, but if you feel the price is too much, you can move ahead and find the same thing at some other place. So over here you have the Flame Goa, which is a fashion store. Of course that's a little upmarket place for fashion store, and here you can get all your medical supplies and stuff, which is a pharmacy. Of course right next to that is a huge wine store. So that's That's the wine store there. And we'll just go a little ahead here. So here you got Spaceship International Supermarket. There's a veg restaurant here on the right, and yeah, so let's head on down further on here. In this area there's not a lot of things so much here, because most of the roads which go inside here are leading towards all hotels. So if you go towards the left is beachfront properties, and on the right are all these hotels here. Of course the hotels on the right are cheaper. So there's this restaurant here which is called Noa, Noaa. That's really nice for sushi. I always come here, or I order the sushi from here. So over here is Novotel. Novotel is again one of my favorite hotels in Kandolim, and one of my favorite hotels in Goa, because I mean it looks really nice, and it's like located in a good area, so you can go to the beach very easily from here. So here, see, South Resto Bar. So if you want South Indian food, that's a restaurant for you. This is Minx. Minx is a famous place for ladies clothing. So they are like a bikini shop kind of, and they have a lot of ladies clothing at that place. So as we head on down here, there will be more hotels and resorts on the way. There's also so many tattoo parlors on the road, and of course wine stores. You can get every wine store almost every 50 meters here. So this is resort the Lohais. I cannot pronounce it, but it's a nice resort here. Lohis. So we are almost reaching towards Kalangut. This is the O2 Spa. Here, this is the Hyatt Centric Hotel. This is also a very nice hotel. This is of course the Delhi Darbar. And as you see here, as I told you, there was international tourists, and there's so many international tourists right now that I'm seeing today. So as we go further down here, there's a nice veg restaurant here which is called Khana. This is a famous veg restaurant, and there's Punjabi food here. Over here on the right you have Mario Gallery, which is a place if you want to buy like from a famous Goan artist. So they have the artwork, styles and stuff like that. So guys, I'm showing you guys this video so you can feel that you're riding along with me here in Goa and see what it's like right now. So we've almost reached Kalangut, and we'll just check out the last couple of places here before we reach Kalangut, guys. So this here on the right is Navratna Udupi Pure Veg Restaurant. So this is a big veg restaurant which you have here, and here is the Snip Salon, very famous Snip Salon. On the left here there's another place which is called Jamming Goat. Now Jamming Goat is a famous restaurant in South Goa, but they also have one here, and they are picking up, and they have like really fancy cocktails and stuff. This is an outlet kind of center where you can buy Nike, Puma, Reebok, Adidas and stuff like that. And yeah guys, so this on the left here is Holiday Street in Kalangut. So that's where we end our vlog here in Kandolim to the Kalangut area here. I hope you like this video. So guys, that is it from here in Kandolim. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll be bringing you lots of other videos from here in Goa.